It's time to dive into real HTML code. In this video, we'll learn about the global structure of an HTML page, which will contain our content. Now that we have the history lesson out of the way, it's time to learn about some HTML tags. We're going to learn about tags that deal with the global structure of HTML documents. Now, here I have the browser Google Chrome open, but you can go ahead and use whatever browser you feel comfortable in. And I'm going to be creating my HTML document in the text editor TextMate. Again, you can use whatever text editor you'd like, but this is the one that I'm going to use. Now, first, I'm going to create what's called a doc type. And to do that, we'll go ahead and open HTML tags. We'll put an exclamation point inside. We'll type out the word doc type, followed by a space, and then the letters HTML. This is what's called a document type. Now, there are lots of different doc types available for creating different types of HTML documents. However, this doc type is what's called an HTML5 doc type. We're going to mostly be learning about HTML4 tags. However, these HTML4 tags can still be used with HTML5. So we're going to go ahead and save our document. And I've saved my document as index.html. The file name index.html is very common, and when you name something index.html and put it in a folder on a web server, the web server will commonly direct to index.html directly and bypass any other file names. We'll get more into the actual file structure of websites a little bit later on. Now that we have our doc type, we're ready to move on to the HTML tag. So we'll skip down here a little bit, and we'll type HTML, and inside of it, we're going to use what's called an attribute.